In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe audio and video files using an online transcription tool with ease. Transcribing can be incredibly beneficial whether you're a content creator, a student, or someone needing accurate notes from an audio recording. So let's dive right in and get started on mastering this skill. First things first, you need to open your web browser and navigate to riverside.com tools/speech-to-text. This is where the magic happens. So just go ahead and type that into your browser's address bar and hit enter. You'll be taken to their user-friendly speech-to-text tool, designed to make transcription as straightforward as possible. Next, it's time to upload your audio or video file. You'll find a designated area where you can simply drag and drop your file. It's as easy as that. Alternatively, if you prefer browsing through your device's files, you can click on the Upload a File button. This will allow you to manually select the file you wish to transcribe. Make sure you're uploading either audio or video files, just to keep things smooth. Now, this next step is crucial for accuracy. You'll want to select the appropriate language for your recording. There's a drop-down menu provided, which will have a list of languages. Pick the one that matches your recording so the tool can accurately convert the speech to text. This step is particularly important if your recording isn't in English, since choosing the incorrect language can lead to inaccurate transcriptions. Once you have your file uploaded and language selected, you're ready to start transcribing. You'll see a button that says Start Transcribing. Go ahead and click that. The AI-powered tool will now begin its process, working diligently to transform all the spoken words in your file into written text. Sit back, relax, and watch as the transcription process unfolds. This may take a little time depending on the length and quality of your file, so patience is key here. Finally, once the transcription is complete, it's time to download your newly created transcript. You'll notice a download button. Click it and you'll be prompted to choose a file format. There are two options available: TXT, which is plain text, and SRT, which is great for subtitles. Choose the format that suits your needs best and download the file to your device. And there you have it, a seamless process to transcribe your audio and video files using the online tool. With this skill under your belt, you're better equipped to handle transcripts effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy transcribing.